What's up, everybody? Dustin Owen, aka Dio, back with another episode of Talk Mortgage to Me. Listen, if I were to go out and poll 1,000 mortgage loan originators and I asked them what they thought about Dave Ramsey, 995 out of 1,000 are going to tell you this. We like Dave. He does good things. However, that dude gets it so wrong for what it's like in the real world. Let me show you what I mean. And the way I'm going to show you is I'm going to interview my buddy Dave Hochberg. He is the voice of WGN Radio every Saturday morning. His radio show is Home Sweet Home Chicago. He is a legend in Chicagoland. He's a top mortgage loan originator. But in this episode of Talk Mortgage to Me, you're going to watch Dave and I dispel 3 myths. And those 3 myths are exactly this. You don't need 20% down to purchase a home. You do need credit cards, and a 15-year fixed mortgage is more than likely not the best loan program for you. Check this out.
What scenario are we going to discuss today that keeps on popping up on your radio show where you're like, damn, I wish more people knew the lessons learned by one of my most recent customers?
Two gigantic ones. Number one, do I need 20% for a down payment? Everybody thinks they need 20% for a down payment. And number two, you actually need to have credit in order to get credit. Today's world of Apple Pay and debit cards and all of that nonsense, you're not building credit. And to try to understand that if you want to buy a home, you need to have credit in order to get credit. And using a credit card responsibly is the same thing as using a debit card responsibly.
Are you maybe saying, I'm not going to put words in your mouth, but potentially that Dave Ramsey guy might not be 100% on his rocker?
Okay, now you're throwing the Dave Ramsey in on me. I will say this about David Ramsey. He's a very smart man. He does a lot of good. He's helped a ton of people. We have different philosophies. I have a different philosophy than Dave Ramsey. I agree with a lot of what he says. I agree with the principles. Don't spend money on crap that you don't have on crap you don't need. Love that. I disagree with buying used cars because I like driving new cars, and if you work hard, you should be able to drive whatever you want. His philosophy is that. He's got another philosophy. 15-year fixed loans is the way you need to go. You need to have 15-year fixed loan. You need to pay that son of a bitch off as fast as you can. Guess what? Not everybody's making $10, $15, $20 million like Mr. Ramsey.
Yeah. You know what's funny about 15-year fixed mortgages?
I hate them.
Well, it's interesting. Hate's a strong word.
No, I hate them.
I'm almost there with you. I use the word loathe. I loathe them. I think they're right for the certain person, meaning if you're one of those rare dinosaur type people who you make a lot of money yet you're fiscally irresponsible.
Okay.
Then okay. Let's throw you into a 15-year fixed mortgage because you're fiscally irresponsible, but you make enough money to be able to afford that payment or really any payment we put in front of you. However, you've been doing this 25 years. I've been a loan originator for 20 years.
Yep.
Rarely do we come across someone who is fiscally irresponsible and makes a lot of money. We have plenty of clients that make a lot of money. We have plenty of clients that are fiscally irresponsible,
right,
but rarely do a combination of both. But you made 2 mentions of things that you say in your career, things that you see from the callers from your radio show.
Yeah.
The myth that you need 20% to put down.
Correct.
And I wouldn't even say it's a myth. It's almost like a misrepresentation that you shouldn't need or use credit prior to buying a house. However, it may be one of those what came first, the chicken or the egg or the cart or the horse, because you need good credit to qualify for a home loan.
So there you have it. You now know you do not need 20% down to purchase a home. You also know that credit cards are not totally evil. They serve a purpose. And a 15-year fixed mortgage is more than likely not the best loan program for you. Now, I'm assuming if you're looking to purchase a home anytime in the next year, you probably have more questions. And we have you covered. Check out the link below in the description. Click it. It'll bring up a page for you to fill out your information. By filling out your information, you're basically raising your hand and you're asking a TLOP approved real estate professional to reach out to you to answer your specific questions and help you formulate a game plan to make homeownership easy and accessible to you in the near future.